Hey, what up guys? Welcome to a new vlog. Come shop with me if you will. Today I am at the thrift store, as you can see behind me. A ton of clothes. I'm actually with my dad. He loves to thrift just like I do. I kind of got him into it and it's a lot of fun. So I just came in and already found like 2 things that I might get. I'm not sure. So we will see, but I thought it would be really fun to bring you along. This is one of my favorite things to do in life. I love thrifting, as sad as that is. But it's just so much fun and you can find so many little treasures. So I thought it'd be fun to bring you along. I already found 2 things. First up, I'll hang this up so you can see it, is just this really cute on-trend Ann Taylor Loft tank top. It's $6.99, but blue tags are 25% off. Hey, Dad. I know. Yeah, there's not many. But it's super on trend. There's this crochet detail on the side, stripes, and then the back is plain white, like a linen material. But it's really cute. I like it a lot. And then I found these pants for my sister. I lost the hanger. But they are from Express, brand new with tags. They still have the original tags on it. They're ankle high rise for $5.99. They're just these floral high-waisted paper bag trend with the tie tops. I know it's hard to see, but I thought these were super cute, perfect for church or dressing up. So I'm gonna keep looking. Activewear is one of my favorite sections to go in because I love being casual. So I'm gonna take a look and see what I can find in here. You know I love my luxury items, but you can find really good items at the thrift store. Like Eddie Bauer sweatpants, $3.99. I don't need any more sweatpants, but if they're a really good pair, I will snag them. Another section that I want to shop in today is the short section. So Bermuda shorts are kind of back in style, and I don't want to spend a lot on them because I don't know if they'll be in style for a long time. So the thrift store is the perfect place. The thrift store is the perfect place to go find it. So I'm gonna keep looking through activewear and I'll let you know if I find anything, guys. So another tip that I have is to look at the new racks. These are where I usually find like the best stuff because this is the stuff that people haven't looked at yet and it just came out. So you will see racks like this and that one right there. And this is where you can find the good stuff. So I'm gonna take a look at this rack. That's honestly, the new rack is where I found the other stuff in my cart that I just showed you. And so I'm just taking a look through here. Ann Taylor. Now every thrift store has different pricing. So here's like Forever 21 leggings. That's pretty cool, but I don't really like them because I don't think they're really good quality. I have tried them before and they're just not my thing. But like you can find stuff new with tags like this TJ Maxx. And it's good to come first thing in the morning because that is when they're restocking and it is less crowded. The early bird gets the worm, as they say. These cute little Levi's mid-rise skinnies, $8. So I didn't find anything on that rack. Let's check over here. Leather jacket. So this is a brand sold at Anthropologie. It's a size 26 though, and this won't fit my sister or me. But how cute are these little distressed embroidered skinny jeans? $6. You really cannot beat it. It's just that that stuff won't fit me. So sometimes you find like cute stuff, but it just like isn't your size, which is unfortunate. but it happens. But eventually you will find stuff in your size. Just keep looking and it'll come to you. So not too much on this rack, but I did find these Zella leggings. Now Zella is a brand from Nordstrom. You can see right here is the logo. This is what I saw peeking out when I was looking through. They're a nice pair of high-waisted capris, and they have like a gray detailing on the bottom. These are super cute. They are a size medium in my size, and these are $4.99. So that is an amazing steal because these run like 50 or 60 bucks.
Guys, so I thought these were really nice looking shorts. I just looked in the tag. They're toy birch. They're size 8, which is my old size, but easily. They're $8.99. That is such a big deal. I don't think I'm going to get them, but that's just one of the things you can find at the thrift store. I mean, toy birch is not cheap. So that is a really nice deal. Very cute.
Too much today, but I just wanted to fill you in. I'm still looking for that good. One of my favorite places to look is casual pants. Now, if you work in an office, you can find amazing work clothes. I used to get all my work clothes from the thrift store. It's so cheap for like dress pants, and if you go to Banana Republic, those suckers are like a lot. Speaking of which, I just found Talbot's dress pants. Hampshire curvy. They're a nice like straight leg. $7.99 still with the tags on them. Like, you cannot beat it. I don't need dress pants anymore because my job doesn't require it, but like you can score really great deals. So that is a top tip. But honestly, I get everything from the thrift store. Like, you don't need to just buy dress clothes, or I get jeans from the thrift store, tops, tank tops, blouses, sweatpants. They have everything. It's so fun. So I'm gonna look for some like linen-y joggers. I really want a pair for the spring and summer, so I'm gonna look through and see if I can find any. So this is kind of what I was looking for. These are Old Navy, size medium. We'll see if they fit, but they're like drawstring, light, casual pants. I love these for the summer with my Birkenstocks, and they just look so cute, and they are $2.99, so come on. Guys, just got to another thrift store, second of the day. I already found, oh, and by the way, last thrift store, all I got was that tank top. I put all the other stuff back. I have so many clothes that I can be pretty picky about like what I want to keep and stuff. It's not like I need a lot of things, so if I really like it and it's a good deal, I'll get it. But other than that, I probably will put it back. So I did get that Ann Taylor Loft tank top, which I thought was a good deal. And now I'm at a different thrift store and I found this Madewell t-shirt. It's 99 cents and it's like really cute. Oh, there's a stain on it. That is my other tip. So before I bought the tank top, I checked for stains, holes, tears, everything. Before you buy anything, check everything. Like, you have to check everything or you could get home and it's stained and whatnot. So that is a little tip for you guys. But I just found this really cool Zella new. This is the new Zella tag from Nordstrom, size large, $3.99. It's just a cool like see-through sweatshirt. You could wear a sports bra underneath it, wear it to work out. That's kind of cute. So I'll put that in this cart. So I'm gonna keep looking through the store and see what I can find. I will keep you guys posted. Just found some frame denim, but they marked it at $18.99, so they know it's a good brand. But green tags is half off, so if these fit you and you need denim, like this is still a really great deal. You'll pay $8.50. So I'm just looking through jeans right now. Maybe I'll be able to find something. Citizens of Humanity. These are $16.99, so they definitely know what brands to mark up. But again, it's still cheaper than buying it brand new, so it's worth a shot at looking at. And sometimes you'll get lucky and the person tagging it had no idea that they were expensive. That's what I bank on. Hey guys, so I'm at the third thrift store today and haven't found anything. At the last thrift store, didn't get anything. Today is not the best day. Of course, when I'm filming, it wouldn't be the best. Last time I went thrifting, I got a ton of stuff, but today I'm not. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep going. Third thrift store of the day, and we'll see if we can find anything. I'm not sure. So let's go. Well guys, I am back from a long day of thrifting and it was kind of an uneventful trip. I'm gonna keep bringing you and vlogging because there is a reason I love thrifting, and it is because I find amazing things, and just because this time I didn't doesn't mean I won't or that I'm done thrifting, for sure. So just stay with me, stay tuned, but I think it's important to see that not every time you go thrifting, you're gonna find amazing things. I did end up finding Lululemon joggers for my sister in her size. They ended up being $3.34, $3.34. They're so cute. And I ended up just getting that tank top. And yeah, that was about it for thrifting. We went to a ton of different stores, didn't find much. But it's important to see, you know, that not every time is going to be amazing. So I just wanted to share this video with you all. I know it wasn't that eventful, but stay tuned. I'm not giving up hope. Thrifting is going to become in clutch, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to hit that like button, give this video a like, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. XOXO.